In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in a Jitter video. Whether you're looking to tweak some titles, alter your captions, or give a fresh look to any text element in your Jitter project, we're going to cover it step by step. Let's dive into it. First, we're going to start by navigating to the Jitter website. Jitter is an online platform known for its fast and user-friendly motion design tools. Open your preferred web browser and type in jitter.video in the address bar. This will take you straight to the Jitter homepage, where creativity meets simplicity. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top section of the screen where you'll see the My Files option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your saved projects are organized. If you've worked on multiple projects, they'll all appear here, making it efficient for you to access and edit any piece of work you've previously started. After you've selected My Files, locate and click on the Design tab. This is an essential step because it opens up the design interface where all the magic happens. It allows you to access the intricate details of each of your projects, giving you the tools to modify and enhance the visual elements as needed. Next, within your project files, click on the scene that requires text editing. Scenes are individual segments of your video, and being able to focus on one scene at a time helps maintain organization and clarity in your design process. Scenes can contain multiple elements, so focusing on a particular scene will help you streamline your editing. Now click on the specific text you wish to change. It's important to be precise in this step, as each text element can have distinct formatting and settings. Once you've clicked on the desired text, you'll see editing options pop up, allowing you to explore different changes you can make. Before making any changes, right-click on the section on the left that corresponds with the text you selected. This section, sharing the same name as your text or element, is pivotal in navigating through your elements organized in layers. It's a quick way to ensure you're editing the correct element without disturbing others. Moving forward, take your cursor over to the Edit option. Click on Edit, and this opens up a new range of options for you to modify the text as per your creative vision. Whether you aim to change the font size, color, style, or content, this is where it all comes to life. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing text in Jitter videos. By following these steps, you'll be able to adjust your project text seamlessly, ensuring that your final video is exactly as you envisioned. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.